Hello, so let's say that we have a Next.js application and we know that Next.js supports both backend and frontend at one server. So let's see how does that work out and how to create routes in Next.js application. So let's head over to application. What we are going to do is let's add a new file. Let's add a file name uh, page page. Let's say that's a route and we are creating a page.tsx rafc. All right, so rafc is a short form to like create a boilerplate for a component. Let's say I use this is a page. We just created a route at front end. All right, let's see. You see, that's how much easy and I would say funny it is. If you are coming from React and Node.js, then you will find pretty much easy because all you have to do is like you just have to create a folder here and here we go. Just create a folder in app folder in app directory and you create a folder named page and this will be your route. This is the page and inside the page you can define whatever the hell you want to define. All right, that how much ease Next.js application gives you. Now, when I will come to the backend, you will find it more interesting. Let's say, okay, we are going to create an API. Like I feel like I created this one. Let's read with this one and create it again. Okay, I will create API and file will be api.js. All right, so I will write export function post. All right. So what I'm going to do is next. Let's say we have oh all right there. So there is a little mistake. What we are going to do to let Next.js know that this is a server code, we are going to put all our routes in the API folder. All right. So this is API. We don't need API. So if at the backend name for the chat, we can use like a file with inside a route inside a chat folder route.js. We can now put there are for like common request read operations like post, put, delete, and the next one would be get. That would be so we can make any request, like, let's say export async function and post. Now what we are going to do, we are going to like return a basic response. Next next response dot json. Let's say I would add an object and in the message I would say hello world, hello world. All right, very well. So now let's see if we have got this or not. Yeah, the route is localhost 3000 API slash chat and we have a message hello world. You can see that the same server is running the front end and the same server is running the back end. The endpoint is running the back end. So that's the beauty of Next.js application. That's all. Thank you.